Barry,
Hey Lily, how are you?
I good. I I I should say good afternoon
Oh no, you can say good
to you.
evening. It's okay.
Good evening. Okay. Yeah. This evening now I'm still in my car because I had late business dinner, so
hmm
I haven't. Yeah,
How
I
was your
outside.
business
Okay.
dinner?
Interesting and I think productive dinner because talk about meaningful things.
hmm Okay, well that's good.
Yeah,
So I take
yeah.
it it's
How about you?
well, I'm okay too. Just doing my day. Um, well, it's good to catch up with you again.